Hello and welcome to Kiswahili Tenses Part 1 lesson. Let us get started. So, as I've said, our topic for today is tenses, which is referred as nyakati in Kiswahili. There are 5 major tenses in Kiswahili. Simple present tense, wakati uliopo. Simple past tense, wakati uliopita. Present perfect tense, wakati uliopo hali timilifu. Future tense, wakati ujao. And then habitual tense, wakati wa mazoea. But for today's lesson, we will focus on simple present and past tense. Let's start with simple present tense. The na in Swahili represents the simple present tense. In English, when ing is added to a verb, it means the verb is in its simple present tense. For example, going, eating, drinking, dancing, and writing. But in Kiswahili, the tense marker na is inserted between the subject prefix and the verb stem. For example, ninapika, I am cooking, whereby ni is a subject prefix, na is a tense marker, and then pika is a verb stem. The rest will follow the same pattern. Okay. Wanaruka, they are jumping. Anasafiri, he or she is traveling. Mti unaanguka, the tree is falling down. Anasoma, he or she is reading. Okay, so for monosyllabic verbs used with this tense, retain the infinitive ku. For example, tunakunywa, we are drinking. Anakuja, he or she is coming. Unakula, you are eating. Mnakufa, you are dying. Wanakupa, they are giving. Okay, so let us move to simple past tense. The simple past tense, as the name implies, refers to a past activity without reference to a specific time. The tense marker for this past activity is li. For example, nilisoma, I read, whereby ni is a subject prefix, li is a tense marker, and soma is a verb stem. Same applied to all the examples. Ulicheza, you danced or played. Niliimba, I sang. Okay, and then monosyllabic verbs used with this tense, however, retain the infinitive ku as well. For example, alikunywa, he drank. Walikufa, they died. Tulikula, we ate. Tulikuja, we came.